Hey everyone, Sebastian here, back again with another question from Bluebook Test 1. Math Module 2B, the harder one, but don't worry about that, we got this. Question 14. All right, we have a graph this time. That could be intimidating for some. Some people love them, but let's check this out. The graph of y equals f of x plus 14 is shown. Which equation defines function f? And then we have negative a quarter x minus 12, negative a quarter x plus 16, negative a quarter x plus 2, and negative a quarter x minus 14. All right, so there's a trend here, right? That's all negative a quarter x. These are all linear equations. You look at the graph right there, it is going down by a quarter, so we don't care about the slope. What we care about is the motion, right? The y-intercept. So what they're telling us is what we see now is f of x plus 14, right? F of x plus 14. And what we want to do is find f of x. So that would be, let's call this g of x. And we could say f of x equals y minus 14, right? Okay, so remember with transformations, what do we have, right? Let's just focus on shifts, because that's what we're doing here, right? This horizontal shift, where we shift left and right, and that's when you add or subtract to x value. Okay, and then we have vertical shift, which I like more because it's not complicated like the horizontal shift can be, and that is when you add or subtract to function. So that's what's happening here, right? We're not doing f of x parentheses plus 14. I'll show you what I mean in a second. So horizontal, right, would be something like y equals f of x minus 5 or something, right? That's a horizontal shift, and that'd be a shift to the right 5. Horizontal goes in the reverse that we would think. Vertical goes where we want. You add 5, you go up 5. You subtract 5, you go down 5. So here we take the function that we see, right? The y equals the y equation here, and we're going to subtract 14 to find the actual equation for the f of x. So what's the y-intercept of this one? It is plus 2, so we're going to do, let's see, okay. So the equation here is y equals negative a quarter x, which we don't even have to really calculate because we see every answer choice has that anyway. They gave that to us. So we're going to have y equals negative 1 quarter x plus 2. And then f is going to be negative 1 quarter x plus 2 minus 14. So that equals, what does that get us? Negative 1 quarter x minus 12. And if we look at our answer choices, right, not B, not C, not D, it is A. All right. So this one, again, very abstract, but if you understand the concept of shifts, horizontal and vertical, then you can get this one down. I hope this helped you understand them better. We will meet again soon, and we will do another question from this Bluebook test. So stick around, like and subscribe, ask questions, comment, help people out.